Okay, so it is that time of the year again, and we all know why you are here. You are here because you are trying to figure out what is the best deal on the best phone of the year. In case you didn't know, the general consensus or the tech community, of course, we've all agreed that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the best phone of the year. Yeah, the all-new Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max actually lost to the S23 Ultra here. But anyways, we are here for the S23 Ultra. This is the best time to pick up this guy here because Samsung happens to have another one of those crazy deals where if you have a device that you want to trade in, or if you want to play it smart, like I've shown you guys a number of times, you just go on eBay, grab something really quick, and you go ahead and take advantage of the $800 trade-in credit that Samsung is offering for the S23 Ultra. The phone itself is $1,199, $1,199. So if you were to go ahead and take advantage of that $800, you'll be paying $399 to Samsung for this phone here. So folks, make sure to take advantage of this. I'm going to have the link in the description. So you go ahead and hit the special link that is there. It is tagged to this channel. So as an affiliate link, if you use that link, you'll be able to take advantage of this crazy discount. Now, the full detail on this particular deal is not only the $800. You get $800 off of this phone here. So you pay $399 for the phone, but you also get $150 off the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pros, right? So you pay $49.99 for a pair of earbuds that typically cost $200. And by the way, those things are amazing. I own two pairs, the white and the black one. So you get to pay $49.99 for that. So with pretty much $448, you get this phone and a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And they go even further. If you are a student, you can use the student discount. You get up to another 25% off. That is insane. You get $800 off. You get $150 off the, Galaxy Buds Pro, and then you get 25% off. That is wild. So make sure you go ahead and hit that link so that you can take advantage of this deal before it disappears. And of course, if you were to go to Best Buy, I believe at Best Buy, you could get this phone for $900 or $950. I don't remember what it is. If you want to go ahead and buy it outright. This is not a review of this phone, by the way. And just in case you didn't know, this is the best phone of the year because it has essentially everything, right? Anywhere from the platform, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 here. Such a powerful phone. You have an S Pen here, a Samsung S Pen that helps boost your productivity. This is, to those of you who want to be productive, and even if you just want the best phone, this would be the phone to go ahead and get. You get a number of different colors. This is, the Samsung exclusive color. There's a blue, there's a lime, there's black. There's a bunch of different colors to choose from, of course. The cameras, woo, top notch. I'm not sure if you've heard of this, the 100X. That means you can zoom into things. I'm not sure if you've seen pictures of the moon taken by the S23 Ultra. Nothing comes close. Well, some other phones like overseas might come close, but that zoom lens is out of this world. Anyway, so go ahead and take advantage of that. I'm going to have both links in the description. First, check out the Samsung link, just in case that deal is still running, because by the way, these are typical flash deals, right? So they would typically have these for like a few days and then of course change them up. But this one is so good on this phone that I don't know that Samsung is going to bring it back. And one thing that I always tell you guys is that with these, if you currently are in the market for a device, whether it be a phone or a tablet, whatever it is, and you're not sure, it's always good to go ahead and purchase it and play with it and see how it interacts with you and how it plays in your life to see if it fits your life. Use those 2 weeks, right? That 14-day window. And then if you don't like it, return it. I don't know why many people don't take advantage of that, right? You can literally buy it and see if it really works with the way you use your device, whether it be a tablet or a phone. If it doesn't, then go ahead and just return it. As simple as that, because you get the full amount of your money back. You really don't have anything to lose. In fact, you have something to gain because you've tried it out and you realize that you didn't like it. So now you can go ahead and pursue something else. So that's that. We are probably going to be seeing a lot more of these deals down the road. And I'm going to be making a lot more of these very short videos just to kind of tell you about some of the deals that I found, because what I do is I typically would spend time and look for the best deals that I can find and go ahead and share with you. Or if I find, some of the I usually show you how to jump through hoops in order to take advantage of a lot of these devices, right? So that's what I do. If I don't find good deals, then I'll show you how to go around and be able to save money. But in this case here, these deals are pretty straightforward. Use the link there, get the crazy discount, the crazy trade-in discount, and you're good to go. You pay $399 for this phone here. And if you want to know more about it, go ahead and use the link, save the phone in your cart, go watch the videos that I made on this phone. I made a review video on it. I made this phone, you know, against my Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max that I have right there. And I've shared everything that I've experienced with this phone here. So go ahead and watch that video. If you're not convinced, then obviously you could go ahead and try something else. Anyway, let me know with any questions that you may have in the comment section. Do you own one of these? You know, are there things that you like, things that you hate, things that you would like to see on the S24 Ultra? Let's go ahead and catch up in the comment section like we always do. Of course, make sure to like this video. Make sure to share the video if you know anyone who is currently looking for the best phone that they can get their hands on, and make sure of course to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will catch you in the next video, which is probably going to be tomorrow with a new deal, and up until that next video, of course, stay safe out there.